Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back. My name is Hussein and I'm here to bring you all this weekly review and the weekly updates how we are going to position ourselves in the financial markets and what are the most potential events that will be happening in the current sentiment of the market, right? So first of all, let me just get started first from the economic calendar. As we see that we have got a couple of major events that will be happening this week. PMI construction from England, then we have ISM non-manufacturing from US, and then we have some of the other major events. Actually, economic calendar is not going to be as loaded like last week, but we still have some more events such as initial jobless claims, and then we have got producer price index and also unemployment rate from the Canada. So there are very limited events in the economic calendar that will be having an impact on the forex market. So talking about the Dow Jones Industrial Average, US stock futures traded higher early Monday morning, and Wall Street tried to build on the momentum from last week's solid performance. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose 338 points. If you could see here, right here at the opening, it actually spiked up all the way. All right, and talking about S&P 500, it also rised, and also Nasdaq future also went up. All right, so you see Wall Street was coming off strong gains after a shortened trading week due to the July 4th holiday. The Dow Jones and S&P 500 rose about 3.3% and 4% overall the total value. And last week the Nasdaq also advanced about 4.6% in that time. The market also wrapped up last week its best quarterly performance in decades. The Dow rallied, if you see here, we have been forecasting on the Dow as well for some time already, and whereby Dow rallied about 17% for the second quarter, while the S&P 500 jumped nearly 20% in the time period. The Nasdaq posted a gain of 30.6% for the quarter. So Sunday's gains were kept in check. However, as the number of coronavirus cases kept surging globally, rising concerns about the world economy and its recovery from the pandemic. The World Health Organization says Saturday that more than 200,000 coronavirus cases were confirmed over a 24-hour span, a record. At a regional level, the spike was seen in the Americas, whereby nearly 130,000 new coronavirus cases were confirmed. Now, in US, Florida and Texas reported daily record spikes, but why the stock market is still going up? The thing is that even though there are a number of, you see, we are currently experiencing a spike in COVID-19 cases, particularly in the sublet states that were in the vanguard of loosening social distancing restrictions to facilitate the reopening of the economy. But overall, as you see that why the stock market still keep going up is because of the stimulus package that has been given from the Federal Reserve. And now, for us to see what could be the next price action happening on Dow Jones Industrial Average, like we spoke about it previously, we are still remaining bullish on this because the price action tells the story. You see here, if you follow our videos previously, what we have given the forecast on that, we were talking about that it is going to go up, and it is going up, even though from here, from this zone to also the next level is more room coming to the upside, right? So we remain bullish on this, and I believe that this will be reaching back to pre-COVID-19 highs where we saw a major fall in the market. All right, and let's just have a look on. So that's what the forecast is for the Dow Jones Industrial, overall stock market in the United States. And US tech stocks, as you could see there, they have been performing out. They really outperformed, and they are doing pretty well, almost recovering, forming new highs of the lows that we saw. And for looking ahead for some of the currency pairs, I would like to give you forecast on CAD JPY. CAD JPY, we're going to expect more room to the upside. Perhaps we see the pair to be climbing up this week more to the upside from here. And if you see for Euro USD, Euro USD has been a ranging market right now, and I see that the pair will be making a correction to the downside, and then we will see another correction up here because overall it starts to range. So we will see the pair to be bouncing up and down. And looking ahead for CHF JPY, I see that the market is reaching to the highest high, but the pattern tells us the market wants to push higher and further. However, we will see within the week how the market will take place into its territory. And GBP AUD, I would see that the pair has been extremely oversold. A matter of time when we'll see this pair towards recovery. All right, and GBP JPY, for GBP JPY, I see that probably it would be pushing up slightly more up. All right, this could be a turning point from here, this pair to come back. But I see from here, let's just say, because you see we're going to come back again to you guys to bring you all our London session forecast, in which we will see how the market would be responding. But to what we see here is that we see a push up, at least to the upside from here, and that's what would be for GBP JPY forecast upside, guys. But any changes we will be updating in the London session forecast. So there will be more updates, as you see that the overall review in the economic calendar is not much loaded, as also the stock market is gaining momentum and gaining steam. We see that we have got more potential room. And looking ahead for GBP USD, probably is going to make a bit of correction, and then we will see more upside coming again for GBP USD. All right, so all in all, stay tuned. We'll be coming back again to bring you all more updates. We have got tons of sessions of weekly forecast, which is London session. We will be also posting a lot of trading signals, and this week on the 11th we are having a webinar for the beginners, whereby if anybody would like to explore in the financial markets, is highly recommended, and to get to know how the market works and get to know the basics in depth, is highly recommended to join this webinar on the 11th of July. I will be signing off for now, and I will be back again to bring you all the weekly reviews and updates within a week. Thank you very much, and I wish you all a great, profitable trading week.